Hey guys, Jason here with the Mythos Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Well, it's on its way, guys. I'm so pumped. Winter Storm Kenan is on its way. And see, we live on like the southern edge of like Delaware, near like the beaches, and it looks like we're gonna get slammed. High winds, coastal flooding, lots of snow. So I'm totally excited. I gotta move the ATV, gotta get it ready. And one important thing I gotta do tonight, we gotta feed the deer. I got about 100 pounds of food for them, because once that snow gets down, they have a hard time getting the food. So we got some corn for them to help them out. So let's get after it. All right, so we got the corn loaded on the ATV. We'll take it back and we'll put it in their little spot where they like to gather and have a little bit of bite to eat. All right, so that's 100 pounds of food right there. I'm not sure what you guys are paying in your local area, but I get it from a local farm where it's like $8.50 a bag, and a bag is 50 pounds. So I think it's a little bit better than what you can get at Tractor Supply. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you're paying for corn for your deer. So all right. All right, guys, so that's it. ATV's ready to go. We just pull right out and start plowing. So we'll probably do a lot of plowing tomorrow. Help out neighbor Reese, and see how much snow we get. I'll do a cool time lapse to kind of show how much we're going to get. Heard anywhere between 2 to 20 inches. So it's looking around 8 to 10, but who knows. So we'll see what we get. Should be a fun time. So we'll see you later. Bye. All right, guys, so I got my driveway all plowed. See if you can see it behind me. Looks pretty good. ATV sitting way back there. I'll kind of show you what's going on here, out here on the road. So no plow trucks yet. It's just neighbors down there plowing, but people have been driving and no plow trucks. So hopefully soon. Yes, that's what it looks like right now. A lot of snow. We'll go over and take a look at the measuring stick and see where we're at. All right, guys, let's take a look out here and see what our total snow accumulation is so far. I can see by our stick here, say we're about 8.5, 9 inches. So, yeah, not too bad. So next we're gonna go over and help the neighbor. He's got a really nice lane. It's beautiful and it's snow covered, so we'll run the ATV up and down there and help him out a little bit. So let's go. All right, so we're at the neighbor's. Let's go ripping through, help him out. Let's go, America. Oh, that was a good time. I'm snow covered. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I'm cold, I'm hungry, I'm covered in snow and wetness. So thanks for watching. Hope you're safe. Hope you're enjoying the snow. If you got snow from. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.